in the land where the river Kanamakra whispers ancient secrets, a groundbreaking engineering marvel unfolds. ACE Energy Infrastructure, a part of ACE Pipeline Group with a legacy of 34 years, embarks on a monumental journey in collaboration with GAIL India Limited and Mecon Limited to weave a lifeline of energy for Bongaigaon, Assam. ACE Energy Infrastructure was entrusted with the works of tunnel construction by microtunnel boring machines for the installation of a 24-inch gas pipeline by GAIL in September 2022 as part of its Barauni-Guwahati gas pipeline project. Once completed, this will serve as a final link to complete a 1600-kilometer network of gas pipelines from Barauni in central India to Guwahati in northeast India and onward to all the northeastern states including Arunachal, Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura and Meghalaya, making a significant stride in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Urja Ganga project. This endeavour is not just a construction feat, it's a conduit of clean energy source vital for spurring industrial growth with green energy promising to fuel the growth of the community and enhance the quality of life. The mission, commenced in October 2022, was colossal, extending 1200 meters through concealed, mysterious terrains below. The geographical conditions were unpredictable and the soil, a blend of boulders, cobble and micaceous sand, held secrets that the engineers had to unveil as they navigated through the earth. Working 24/7 in varying conditions, the terrain was a formidable adversary, with its erratic and rugged nature posing constant challenges to the team. The relentless rains added another layer of difficulty, turning the ground into a slippery battlefield and making the mobilization of heavy equipment a daunting task. One of the first tasks was to create temporary access roads to enable movement of equipment for construction of the shafts and also to launch the tunnel boring machines. The entire endeavour was divided into two drives of 600 meters each. The first drive was from the shaft on Barauni bank of the river to the central shaft, and a second drive from Guwahati bank of the river towards the centre shaft. Each of the shafts was constructed to a depth to ensure that the pipeline was installed at a level 7.5 meters below the lowest bed level to ensure no disruption of the flow of the river and also ensuring that the pipeline would be safe from effects of erosion due to the flow of water in the years to come. Employing microtunneling, a sophisticated technique, and the Herrenknecht AVN 1600 MTBM, the team weathered each challenge thrown its way. The tunnel boring machine was launched into the shaft of the first drive on 20th February 2023 as part of the tunnel boring process. Head of the TBM cuts into the ground, crushing pieces of rock and cobbles, while simultaneously pipes of reinforced concrete are pushed inside, forming the tunnel. The particles of rock, cobble and sand pulverized by the cone crushers of the TBM are pushed back to the ground in the form of slurry. Using a separation plant, water and particles of sand or stone are separated and the water reused. The precise laser guidance system supplied by VMT GmbH and an intermediate jacking station were crucial in ensuring accuracy and smooth progression in tunneling, overcoming diverse geological formations and challenges. The sight of the tunnel boring machine breaking through the concrete wall on 14th April 2023 on the auspicious occasion of Baisakhi celebrated all over the country and marked the culmination of months of relentless hard work. This breakthrough marked the end of first microtunneling drive, with crews having now completed microtunneling across a total length of 600 meters at a depth of 11 to 12 meters under the riverbed. The next drive was initiated a month later on 14th May 2023 after refurbishing the machine and changing various cutting tools which had worn out in the first drive. The second drive was completed on 30th June 2023. In parallel, the works of installation of the 24-inch carbon steel pipeline within the tunnel were commenced. Carbon steel pipes to transport the natural gas were cut, lowered into the shaft, welded and subjected to NDT by radiography. After this, an anti-corrosion coating was installed on each weld joint. Then, the pipe was pulled over rollers installed using a winch. This entire work was carried out day and night, even in the peak of monsoons, to ensure adherence to the tight completion schedule. The pipeline, once installed inside the tunnel, was subject to a hydro test to ensure integrity of the entire system. The caliper pigging was carried out to ensure there was no anomalous deformity in the pipeline. After that, the pipeline was hooked up with the main line sections. The golden tie-in joints were completed by Team ACE in the second week of September. This river crossing served as a final link to the BGPL project, contributing significantly to the energy infrastructure of the region, marking a milestone for ACE Pipeline Group as a leader in underground construction for oil and gas projects. ACE Energy Infrastructure extends heartfelt gratitude to GAIL India Limited, Mecon Limited, Heron Connect, AG, Elgin Separation Solutions, Bilge India Limited and scores of others, without whose support this milestone would not have been possible. This milestone is a forerunner for many more breakthroughs in India and across the globe, and we hope this journey continues to be a testament to human innovation, resilience and harmonious coexistence with nature's wonders. This is more than a project. It's a journey of relentless learning, growth and innovation. A commitment to building the world's energy lifelines with unparalleled dedication and excellence. This engineering marvel leaves us in awe of what humanity can achieve when we dare to delve beneath, to explore the unknown, to erect the pathways of tomorrow. ACE Pipeline Group, building the globe's energy lifelines.